Hi guys, in today's video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone can't make or receive calls after iOS 18.5 update. It seems that right after the iOS 18.5 update, many users noticed that their iPhone started acting up. I experienced this as well. At first I thought it was just me and a glitch or maybe my network acting weird. But then it happened again and again. Suddenly I couldn't make calls. My friends had tried calling me but my phone never rang. Sometimes even FaceTime and WhatsApp calls would fail, showing signs of network related issues. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is reset network settings. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and choose reset network settings. It will ask you to enter your iPhone passcode, so enter your iPhone passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset network settings on your iPhone, and you are done. And the next step is restarting your phone frequently. For this, you just need to press the volume down button and the power button together. A slider will appear, so slide to power off, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is use speakerphone or Bluetooth devices. It sounds odd, but some people reported that using speakerphone or connecting AirPods help reduce the number of dropped calls. For this, you just need to go to settings and choose Bluetooth or connect to your AirPods, and you are done. And the next step is install the latest iOS update. For this, go to settings, choose general option, choose software update and wait until the page is loading. If you see any update here, then tap on install now and install the latest version, and you are done. And also you should check for a carrier setting update. Carrier settings update help your iPhone connect better to your mobile network and enable features like 5G and Wi-Fi calling. By going to settings, choose general and then choose about. If an update is available, you will be prompted to install it. Update these settings can help fix calling issues, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone can't make calls or receive calls after iOS 18.5 update, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.